Today's word can be said two different ways. Some people say data, some people say data. So say it with me. Data data, or data data, or data data, or data or data. Hope you were able to say all of that. The definition. Data are facts, figures, and other kinds of information. Say it with me. Data are facts, figures, and other kinds of information. For example, the students gathered data for their experiment by measuring a bubble's size. Let's look at the picture on the next page. We can see the two students. One is blowing a bubble, and the other has a ruler in his hand. He's measuring the size of the bubble, which means he's gathering data, or data if you prefer. The data is the size of the bubble. I imagine they would blow a lot of different bubbles and measure each, and then they could have a whole data set of bubble measurements. Let's look at the pictures on the next page. What different types of data are represented below? How do you think the data is gathered? So let's look at the picture with the little people figures in the upper left. It says by 2015, 80% of people accessing the internet will be doing so from mobile devices. So the data there is the 80% of people. And what they're doing. They're getting on the internet on their mobile device and less so from their computer. And we can see how it's represented because there are 10 little people figures. 8 of them are orange. They're using their mobile phone to get on the internet. And 8 out of 10 is 80%. So it's a nice little representation of the data. So look at the other pictures. What is the data and how is it being represented? And how do you think the data has been gathered? You don't have to be right, just kind of imagine. And if you have no idea, maybe you can just make up something really crazy.